Welcome everybody. This is day 2 of Six Flags Great America. This is trip number 3 of the year. Came yesterday for like a little half day kind of. For a really decent day. Really decent day yesterday. Hoping the same thing. Get a couple good rides in. You know. But it should be a good day. Going to show you some construction stuff also that has been going on if you have not seen the construction yet. So I will be showing you that when I get to the front. And yeah, let's have a good day. Really nice out. Sun's out. Let's get it. Let's go. Okay, so here is where we can see the construction of the front gate. It has really came along. We got the building up. This area I think is going to look really nice in the next coming weeks. Hopefully I can come back in a couple weeks and to show the update. But for right now, this is what it looks like. Still got a lot of rock, a lot of gravel, but we got the building. So I feel it's good, and I'll see you guys in the park. Okay, so we are in the park. As you can see, we have the carousel right here with the pond. Looks really nice. Honestly don't know what the plan is for today, but we are gonna we're here until 7 o'clock until park close, and we are going to try and get a decent amount of rides in. So let's go do it. Here you can see Demon is stuck on the lift hill. Wow. I wonder how long it would take to evac them. We're here eating a Yukon first thing. Before I ride anything, lines are crazy. A lot of school groups. We don't have to walk. A lot of school groups today. Park is a little bit busy, so I thought, you know, if I'm going to eat food right now, I want to eat some good food. Get some barbecue, get some mac and cheese, who knows. But I'll see you guys after I eat. So this is my first time eating at Yukon barbecue, and I highly recommend it. It is really delicious. I got the pulled pork sandwich with the fries, and it comes with a cornbread muffin. It is really good. I highly recommend it. Alright guys, so first ride of the day is gonna be Goliath. It's a decent line, but you know what? We're gonna be standing in lines today. It's gonna be a long wait. So, alright, catch you guys.
Tell me why when me and bro, I'm talking about I'm gonna close my eyes on the way up. I think Manny's on it. Bro, I'm gonna close my eyes on the way up. It's like that vertical.
Alright guys, so just got off Goliath. Incredible. Every time incredible. It's an RMC, of course it is. Man, every time is good. Everything is good. But I don't know. Between this or Raging Bull, I don't know. That's in the park though. Oh man, back row. That drop is insane. It's amazing. Gotta get back row if you ride this thing though. Now, I'm gonna try to head to Raging Bull. Get some of that back row goodness. And then see you guys. Okay, so I am in front of Sky Striker. Update new for 2024. Zamperla Giant Discovery, one of the biggest in the country. Yeah, it's a great addition for the park. The park really needed like a standout flat ride besides Giant Drop, and I think we had that settled with this. These things are incredible. And there should be some good head choppers with X-Flight, or some near misses with X-Flight. So as you can see, it's still under construction. They're still working on the queue, and also they're working on American Eagle's queue. So if you haven't been really keeping up to date on anything, American Eagle is closed due to them putting in the new queue. But I think this whole area is going to be really nicely done up. Alright, so I just got off Raging Bull, second to back row. Oh man, that thing is incredible, man. It is incredible. Oh, the floater, the ejector, when they get off the drop, it's incredible. I think I'm ahead. Hit the Joker next. And I'll see you guys there.
If you like just had it all the way, like all the way to the side, it's like, it's so
Okay, so I just got off the Joker. You know, it's a 4D free spin by S&S. I mean, it's good, but it's also an S&S free spin. So, you know, take it as it is. Some people like them, some people hate them. It's kind of like your preference. Like you have to try one and see, like, hey, is that too much, or hey, is that good? So, you know, because some people will say, oh, well, that's not like my kind of thing, you know, flipping like that. But to me, I like it. You know, I rode it media day when it opened. It's a great, I like it. It's a fun ride. You know, definitely not like top, obviously, because it's a free spin. But I mean, it's still good. So, I think I'm gonna head to Batman right now. Hop on Batman, and then see where the day takes us. You know, it's been a good day. I've been on Goliath, I've been on Bull, and I've been on Joker in a span of maybe 2.5 hours, 3 hours. So far it's been a good day. So I'll catch you guys after Batman. Alright, so I just got off the Batman, which is a B&M Batman clone. And I mean, it was good. You know, it's got a little headbanging to it, you know, but it's an old ride. It's good. If you've done any really Batman clones and you come here, I mean, it's not really a necessity. I would not, you know, plan your trip around this ride. But I mean, if you're here, you got some extra time to spare, line's short, I mean, hop on it, but it's okay. I've been on way better Batman clones, like the one at Fiesta, Texas. And I think I'm gonna head to by Superman, maybe hop on Superman, and then yeah, we'll see what goes from there. Maybe do Dark Knight. So who knows? But it's been a good day. I've been getting a lot of coasters, a lot of rides, and it's nice out, you know. Weather's nice. This is day 2 of a day 3-day trip. Tomorrow, got a big meetup. About nine of us enthusiasts. So it's gonna be fun. Be able to ride some coasters with a lot of my friends. And I'll see you after Superman. So change of plans. Superman has a really long ass line. So we're gonna head Dark Knight. Let's do Dark Knight. I like Dark Knight, some people don't, but I'm gonna do it. I like it. See you guys after Dark Knight. All right, so I just got off Dark Knight, and I mean, it's good. You know, it's a good ride. A little rough. You know, it's a wild mouse, so of course the transitions are jerky. But I mean, it's a fun ride. Like, it's a fun wild mouse. Would not complain. It's a fun ride to just do, you know. But so I think I'm gonna head to either Viper or X. So I'm probably gonna head to Viper and then do X. That's my plan. I want to at least try and get a couple more rides on Bull, depending on how the line is, and maybe one more ride on Goliath. But I basically, through the 2 days that I've been here, I've done almost every ride. I'm only missing Superman and X-Flight. So hopefully, I could get all of them. If not, hey, I'll be here tomorrow too for the meetup, and that would be super fun. But overall, today's been a really good day. You know, the crowds, it's been crowded, but the lines at the operations have been great the past 2 days I've been here, and I would not complain at all. The operations have been fantastic. Yeah, and it's been nice both days. You know, tomorrow is probably going to be slammed, 80 degrees and sunny, so the park is probably going to be slammed, but we're going to make the best of it. All right, I'm gonna head to Viper. See you guys at the Viper. All right, so I just got off Viper front row. Definitely not as good than in the back, but I feel like the front is more for the speed and the laterals, because you get the speed and the laterals in the front, but in the back you get that strong ejector and that like yank over the drop. It's a good ride, but definitely if you do it back row. Maybe, and if it's not slammed, maybe try to get multiple rides on in different seats, so you guys can experience it all in different ways. Because I mean, everyone's ride's different. Everyone's ride's preference is different. I prefer ejector air. But some people like the laterals and the speed. So some people like the front row, some people like the back row like me. And some people, you know what, sit in the middle because they don't care. So I think I'm gonna head to X-Flight, and then hopefully by then a lot of the school groups have left. And I could just lap Bull, baby. Let's go.
Secure hats and glasses. Enjoy your ride. All cell phones must be secured at this time. Failure to do so will result in removal from the ride.
Alright, so just got off X-Flight, front row, walk on, dude. I mean walk on, walked right on. Low key, I'm gonna go take another lap, get back row this time. Front row is amazing. You know, I've actually never done front row because it's always so long. But man, you just feel the speed, and over the keyhole drop, or over the hangover drop, sorry, you get so much hang time, and it's so good, man, so good. So I'm gonna try to come back to here before I leave, or before I get out the park. But low-key, I'm gonna go see if Goliath has a crazy line, and I'm gonna try to lap that for get a couple rounds on that. But man, today's a great day. Great day. So I just got off Goliath for a second time today. This time in the front row. Wow. I mean, I'm blown away. I've never done the front row actually. But wow. I mean, it's different than the back because the speed, you feel the speed more, because it's just incredible. And like when you're at the top, you hang over a little bit, crest over, man, it's amazing. Front row and back row is amazing, man. Oh, holy, so gonna be on the way to Raging Bull. Hopefully get a couple rides on that. And then probably end my night with Maxx Force. So it's been a really successful day. Be back tomorrow for the meet day. And yeah, let's go. All right, so just got off Maxx Force front row. Wow, incredible launch. Wow. I mean, 0 to 82 in 1.7 seconds is, oh. I mean, after the launch, the rest of the layout was good, but it's just like that launch is what you come for. Because that air compressed is so good. And you can't really find that anywhere else in the world except for Dododampa. Oh. So, about to run the bull, hopefully get 1 or 2 rides. Even if I get 1, that's fine. Got 15 minutes till park closed. Let's get it.
Welcome back, riders. When the train stops, unfasten your seatbelt and push up on your lap bar. Exit to your right and down the ramp and enjoy the rest of your day here at Great America. Oncoming riders, welcome to Maxx Force.
Wow, what an amazing end to an amazing day. Here at Great America, day 2 of this 3-day trip. 2 back-to-back back row rides on Bull. Like, what can I say? Ends to a perfect day. Wow. I just want to say thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like and comment and share. Make sure you follow the Instagram, SFGAM Fan Club. Peace out, everybody.